popular.
Hello, you beautiful soul. So, I will be helping you to discover the 7 popular meditation types and who each is best for. So, by the end of this video, you will know which meditation style suits you best. So, let's get into it. So, the first popular meditation type I'll be talking about is guided meditation. So, this type of meditation is the one that I have started off with, and it has done wonders for me. It is best for beginners and the most common type. So, guided meditation is where a meditation instructor will walk you through a session by talking to you in a relaxed tone, even at times with background music included. There may be times or moments of silence, but the instructor will guide you throughout your practice, helping you to stay on track. Another popular type of meditation is silent meditation. So, this type of meditation is best for challenging yourself, or if you find background noise and instructions too distracting. In this meditation, you will not hear the voice of an instructor, no music, and no sound. This type is also known as unguided meditation. You may get greeted by an instructor to start off your session, but from there on, you will simply sit in silence, focusing inward on your breathing and bodily sensations. The next popular meditation type I'll be talking about is Vipassana Meditation. So, this meditation type is best for anxiety relief. This one is one of the most ancient forms of meditating. The goal here is to release tense feelings so you may live more fully in the present. These sessions help you to see things for how they really are and improve concentration. It helps people to discover if they are holding on to past experiences and building anxious thoughts. That's why it is best for those dealing with anxiety. Next popular type I'll be talking about is mindfulness meditation. And this style of meditation is best for stress relief. This practice has you concentrate on the present moment and accept it with no judgment. So, when certain thoughts, feelings, senses arise, you'll learn to simply acknowledge the presence and accept them. Let go of them and let them float away, no matter if they're negative or positive. This meditation is best for individuals living a stressful, busy life and that are seeking guidance on how to remain at peace. The goal here is to practice mindfulness during your actual meditation session and to carry this approach throughout your daily life. The next popular type is Zen meditation. So, this meditation style is best for advanced meditators. It is similar to silent meditation since you are eliminating noise and distractions, but in this type of session, you simply show up, sit down in a comfortable position, focus on your breathing, and let the natural meditative state take over. You won't hear an instructor or any music with this practice, and you don't need any extra tools to help you reach your focused state. It requires a bit more discipline to get it right and letting go of the idea of needing to be perfect. That is why it's not often the first choice for beginners. It's a remedy to tap into a deeper subconscious. Next popular meditation type is loving kindness meditation, also known as Metta meditation. This meditation type is best for removing negativity. This meditative style encourages love and kindness towards yourself and those around you. It's a gentler and softer approach that helps shift your attention so that you can love on a deeper level while showing more empathy for yourself and others. These sessions are usually guided by an instructor. They will have you repeat mantras, phrases, affirmations such as I am worthy, I am loved, I am a light of positivity for others. This is best for those suffering with depression, low self-worth, or even anger towards others. This meditation can help you break free from negative thoughts so you can see yourself and the world around you in a more positive light. The next popular meditation type is Chakra Meditation. This meditation style is best for personal growth. You focus on moving energy throughout your body. This meditation type is based on the 7 chakras or points of energy that exist between the crown and root of your body. Each chakra has a different responsibility. For example, your throat chakra controls self-expression, while your heart chakra covers love and self-acceptance. With this, there is a third eye meditation, focused on your third eye chakra, which sits on your forehead between your eyebrows, that holds your intuition and sense of purpose. With chakra meditation, you'll imagine a shining light moving through each of your 7 chakras as you bring a greater sense of awareness to each one. This type of energy work may help you identify blocks that are holding you back. So, which meditation style suits you best? Let me know down below. And since we're in the topic of meditation, make sure to go check out my video about 3 powerful reasons to meditate. I'll put it up here for you, so go ahead and click on it. But of course, as always, I truly appreciate you tuning in. Make sure to like the video again, comment down below which style suits you best, and if you enjoy meditation style content, make sure to subscribe to your girl because I would truly appreciate it. As a reminder, be kind to others, but most importantly, be kind to yourself. Now go let yourself shine. In a more positive light. And since we're on the topic of meditation, make sure to go check out my 3 powerful reasons to meditate video. I'll link it up here. Oh God, excuse me. Ooh, started on that one. Damn it, I was doing good. Okay, whatever. And since we're on the topic of meditation, make sure to go check out my 3 powerful. Jesus Christ, it's just saying outro. We're good, girl. We're good. Okay. And if you enjoy meditation style videos, then make sure just to, I was doing good too. Okay, I'm done. Okay.